haven't been to a Michaels. Oh, this is interesting. Michaels announces plans to expand assortment and lower prices on fabric. Ooh. I wonder if they're making this move in light of everything that's happening with Joann's. I don't know. Interesting. Enhanced fabric assortment rolling out to hundreds of additional locations starting this month. Michaels, the best place for all things creative, today announced plans to expand the assortment and distribution of fabric to hundreds of store locations, as well as lower prices on the current fabric offering beginning this month. Further establishing itself as the single destination for everything to create anything, Michaels continues to evolve its product assortment to cater to a wider audience of creative customers, which also filling gaps in the marketplace. According to a recent survey, 26% of people who purchased arts and craft supplies in the last 30 days included fabric in their purchase. At Michaels, we are constantly assessing and evolving our assortment of fabrics to anticipate the needs of our customers, said John Gare, Chief Merchandising Officer at Michaels. We know that our customers prioritize value and choice, and we believe enhancing and extending our fabric offering, as well as lowering our prices, is another way we can ensure Michaels is the best place for all things creative. Customers can shop lower prices on Michaels' current fabric assortment this month, starting at 89 cents per yard. The expanded assortment of Michaels fabric begins rolling out this month and will be available in hundreds of additional store locations by fall of 2024. Huh. So what do we think? Do y'all think that this might have something to do with all of the Joann's turmoil? Like maybe Michaels is seeing some opportunity here? They're like, hey, Joann's is in flux. Let's move. I don't know. Like, and also, does this mean they're going to start selling fabric by the bolt? Super. And they put out that press release after the Joann's bankruptcy news came out. So I'm wondering if that means anything. You know what I'm saying here? All right, guys, they have. All right, these damn pop-ups, guys. I hate. All right, yeah, we get it. All right, Fabric and Sewing Shop. Stock your fabric stash. We got all the materials and tools you need. So it does look like you can buy fabric from the yard online. I'll have to check out a Michaels store too to see what they have in terms of, you know, see if they've got bolts in. All right, they got the fleece we all love here. Let's see how much they have. All right, so $8.40. Okay, no store pickup. So it looks like a lot of these are not in the store here. What do you guys think of the prices? Good, bad? Okay, a lot of and they have like a lot of third-party. They do allow a lot of third-party sellers on Michaels as well. So it's sort of like Amazon where they're letting other people sell stuff on their website. Very interesting. But hey, it's a good way to get people here, you know. Sort of Walmart does that too. All right, let's take a look at the quilt fabric here. And then we'll take a look at the apparel fabric. I mean, that's not bad. Like $4.89 a yard. Novelty. Not bad. And their regular prices aren't, like, they didn't mark everything up to, like, put it on deep discount. It seems like they kind of price things reasonably. So they do have a lot of, I mean, so hey, Mike, maybe I'll try to place an order at Michaels and see what happens here. And you can purchase this by the yard, so that is pretty nice. Great buy. Let's see what the most expensive, let me sort it by, like, most expensive to see what, there we go. We'll price high to low and see what comes up here. Website's a little slow to load. Okay, so they have some bundles. I mean, hey, this isn't bad. Okay, lots of third-party stuff here. So a lot of this stuff, keep in mind, if you see it sold and shipped by another company, Michaels is basically the platform and you're actually purchasing the fabric from another company. But this could be good. It kind of aggravates some of the fabric shops. I mean, not bad. Also sold by Blick Art Materials. Let's take a look at the apparel fabric here. And if you get a Michaels credit card, you can earn 9% in rewards. That's not bad either. Okay, so they got some... Okay, a lot of third-party stuff here. And actually, you could probably sort You could probably filter it. Okay, so you can filter it. Let's see here. All right, okay, Hancock online fabric store. I wonder if you can filter it and just show the Michaels stuff. I feel like you probably should be able to do that. Let's see here. Okay, so if it doesn't have like another company listed, this is sold directly by Michaels. So like this red lame is Michaels because it doesn't have like a third-party company. But let's see here. But like this one, you can see sold and shipped by SP Shop. So that's how you can tell if it's sold by Michaels or if it is sold by another company. I mean, these prices aren't bad. I would try it out and see what I get here. They have a lot of fabrics. So I mean, this might not be it seems like Michaels is trying to make some moves. Also free shipping on $49 or more. Not bad. Not bad here. Let's see, $3.59 a yard for organza. I mean, the prices don't seem crazy to me. Micro suede, $15.90. Is this real suede or is this like fake suede? Okay, this is like polyester suede. This is like fake suede. So, I don't know. What do we think? What do we think about all this stuff? I'm so glad to have a place to talk about industry news. When I heard the Michaels story, I look forward to sharing. Thank you, and thank you. I really appreciate you for suggesting that because, hey, we kind of got down a rabbit hole and we found out some new information. So I'm gonna have to check out Michaels for fabric and see what I get. Yeah, so apparently they do sell by the yard online. And MZ Kitty 1925, if you'd like to get your Etsy shop reviewed, drop your shop in the chat here. Yeah, so Michaels is also owned by a private equity group. No surprise there. I mean, that seems to be like what everyone's doing, you know? That's just the reality. Every company is now owned by a private equity group. Some of these are a little expensive, let's be real. Not everything's cheap, but... I mean, these prices aren't... For most of the stuff, it's not terrible. And if you get a good Michaels coupon, plus they've got that credit card so you can get 9% rewards, so... They do have some things going on. Free shipping over $49. And you can get 40% off regular priced fabric. So they do have a lot of coupons and deals as well. I mean, some of this fabric doesn't look bad. And you can search by... I feel like you should be able to search by fabric type. Yeah, here we go. So let's search by 100% cotton. All right, not a lot here. All right, so they have ivory cotton lawn and black cotton lawn for $9.59 a yard. All right, let's take a look at the bridal and special occasion fabric. Let's see what they got here. I don't know. All right, red fai, probably pronouncing that right. Satin, glitter satin. I mean, these aren't terrible these aren't like crazy prices. Lace $8.89. Hot pink satin, $6.99. I mean, not bad. And they've got the coupons. Mint green chiffon, that's pretty cheap. You can get a coupon. I'm sure it's polyester chiffon, right? Yeah, $4.90. Oh, coupon. Okay, so some of these, no coupons. So the Great Buy fabrics seem to be no coupons. So, but still, that's not terrible. Polyester, it's with the 58 to 60. So, I mean, the fabric, and they do have some pre-cuts. They've got a lot of other stuff. But the last time I was at a Michaels... It was like only some pre-cut stuff and that was it. So, I mean, that's not bad. So it looks like we are getting some more, at least currently online fabric options. That's not a bad thing. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. And that's why it would be helpful to have the fabric in store so you could actually see what it's like. Because it is kind of tough buying things online because you don't really know, you don't know how good or bad it's going to be.